Number 5. Ergonomic Backpack Vacuum. The Backpack Vacuum weighs 10.3 pounds, dimensions of 12 inches x 9 inches x 20 inches. Easily convert to right or left hand. The belt loop contains storage for the accessories to easily transition for any job performed. Commercial or residential applications use the lightweight backpack vacuum for hotels.
If you want to know more about this product, follow description below.
Number 4. Prolux 10 Quart HEPA Commercial Backpack Vacuum. Aluminum construction makes this vacuum lightweight and super easy to use. Includes 3-stage filtration and only weighs 11 pounds. 3-stage filtration, new improved advanced sealed HEPA filter. The new Prolux Advanced HEPA filter has doubled in size, creating a much larger surface area to trap. Number 3. High-quality Powr-Flite equipment and supplies. Commercial-grade tools fit conveniently on waist belt. Innovative design, powerful 130 CFM and 110 water lift, 4-stage HEPA filtration for improved indoor air quality. Item box has a smaller box inside it with the tools included.
If you want to know more about this product, follow description below.
Number 2. Powerful PL brushless motor generates 70 CFM of suction power and 44 inches of water lift, up to 116 minutes of continuous operation on normal setting and 33 minutes on max setting using 218V LXT50A batteries. BL1850B batteries not included. Efficient 2-stage HEPA filter captures 99-97% of particulates 3 microns and larger, extending. Number 1. Zovafloor Tool All-in-One Tool for low pile carpets and hard surfaces. Not recommended for high pile carpets and delicate wood floors. Voltage 120V. Large capacity 10 quart filter provides maximum cleaning ability with 3 times the capacity of a standard upright vac, making it perfect for large areas.
If you want to know more about this product, follow description below.